how to add sounds to your video. As you can see, that's a question that somebody asked me. So I'll take you through the process using InShot. You understand? You can do it using CapCut also, but I'll use the InShot to teach you. And also, if you have any question, you put it into the comment section. If this is your first time, you tap on the page profile, you follow, you like, and then you share also. So straightforward. So you enter your InShot inside, then you tap on video, then you tap on new. Alright, so when you tap on new like this, for example, the video that you want to use to add the sounds to it, okay? So for example, I'll go and take that Gary video, okay? Then these are the videos. This is the first one, so I only use the first one. Always remember to remove your InShot logo. You tap on it like this, and you tap on free remove. Now, when it comes like this, what you do is what? You are going to play the video small. Okay, so this side is not all that funny. So let me see the place that looks a bit funny, okay? So let me say, for example, let me use this side. You see this side. So what I'll do first is what? I will split it. When I split it like this, then I will come and tap on the middle here. Okay, when I split it, it can be like this. Then what I'll do is what? I'll tap on what? Audio. You understand? Then you come and tap on what? Music. Okay, when you tap on music, and before that, you first of all have to what? Import your musics. You have to have your own sounds down. So this is my music. I'll tap on my music, and these are all the sounds that I have. Okay, for example, this one. Or this one. Or this one.
It is smoky, boo.
Or this one.
God have mercy upon us.
So it depends on the one that you want to use, all right? So maybe, for example, I'll take this particular one, the one that is here. Then I'll use it at that particular place. So let's watch and see.
God have mercy upon us.
Have you seen? So this is how it is. When it is too long, then you tap on the audio or your sound. Then you try to what? You can split it. You see, when you split it like this, then you tap on what? Your delete button. You tap on it, then it will delete. Then it will be within the range of where you have cut, where you have split. You understand? So let me play it for you to see.
God have mercy upon us.
This is how to do it. Very simple. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please help me share. Tap on the like button. At least put down your comments, okay? At least tap on the like button. See you in my next video.